Okay, here's the new Babin Machine tool servo threading computer. It's also available for retrofit on a Hardinge tool room lathe. Right now it's shown on a brand new TML-5Cst lathe. We're going to do an example of a left hand 1-inch 24 thread. English, TPI, 24, enter, change to left hand, enter. Tells us the max speed is 960 RPM. The RPM is measured at the spindle and is shown as red if it's out of the range. So as long as we're below 960, we're roughly at 900. Okay, so here's a rapid retract to start for left hand. Feed in, retract, rapid retract to start. And with our digital readout we see, or I see, that it's repeating to a couple tenths of the start position. Back to the display, shows what we're doing. 24 threads, TPI left hand, RPM, and using the readout, back to 0, starting the left hand. Now so as far as coming up to a shoulder, going to repeat to that start. Next we'll do a right hand thread. Okay, here's an example of, we'll program a metric, very coarse 6.5 millimeter lead with a 3-pitch, 3-lead start thread. Press metric, pitch 6.5, right hand, triple lead, and we also have an auto sequence feature, so it'll rotate 1, 2, and 3 before you have the need to advance the compound. So the max RPM for this course is 150. In this particular machine, the TML-St has a 5 horsepower spindle, so it has full torque at low speed, which is down to 75 RPM. So we're at that range. This is the third sequence, and you can do an in-feed after the third. You can see, as every time I do a thread, it advances automatically to the next start. You don't have to do that. You can do one thread completely, advance to the second and then third, or work your way down the thread. Now we're not using any coolants. You notice the rapid retract. So the Babin Machine TML-5Cst for servo threading, available with standard 5 horsepower, gloss tool room grade paint, and the servo threading computer. same components we use for the Hardinge retrofit for the Hardinge threading retrofit. And there we have it. Coarse, right hand, multi-star threading. English from 4 to 250 threads per inch, the equivalent metric. Left hand option, sequential, multi-star thread. USA made components.